So usually what I do is, so right now you're ready to get the arm under the machine. So you raise the feed dog, just release it. And now you're gonna start to stitch it. Gently, gently. I like to do twice so it will stay intact. There you go. To release it, I usually like to tack it to make sure it doesn't unravels like that. There you go. Trim it a little bit. So that's the finished side of it. See how beautiful it looks? Just give it some ironing and it's good to go. Thanks you for watching. Sorry, I forgot to point one thing out. So before you do any stitch on this machine, first thing, try a different fabric, to see if the settings are good for that fabric, because a lot of time different fabrics, you might have a setting that it might show on the other side, on the outside. So this right here is the adjustment. You're able to use the adjustment. This side goes more. The more you go, the more the stitch shows up on the outside. On this side, the lesser you go, the lesser the stitch shows on the outside. So I would say, depending on the fabric, so try to see the settings that you got, if it's good or not, before you started it on the actual fabric. All right, thank you.